Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting 2-4 hair clips and detangling your hair so each piece moves smoothly. Use 1/2-inch sections. This gives control without bulk. First, lift a section, hold it up, and clamp a clip close to the roots to anchor the hair. This prevents slipping as you work. Once done, repeat around the crown, spacing clips evenly to balance tension. Make sure to choose clips that match your hair thickness so they grip rather than slide. Once your anchors are set, continue by shaping each section. Twist, smooth, or backcomb lightly depending on the look you want. Use stronger clips at the base and lighter ones toward the ends to avoid creasing. Clip in stages, secure the base, then reposition the mid-lengths, and finally the tips. This layered approach locks the shape. Make sure to check symmetry as you go and ease tension if you feel pulling. Balanced pressure prevents headaches and maintains a To finish, remove clips slowly in reverse order so the style sets gently and avoids sudden bulges. Smooth sections with fingers and apply a light mist of spray or a dab of oil on ends to lock shape and add shine. If something goes wrong, clip slipping or sliding, stop and swap to a larger clip or add texture with dry shampoo where the clip sits. Texture increases grip. Finally, make small adjustments rather than reclipping everything to preserve the set you worked for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.